Hey, this video is for tattoo artists. This is Dan from Axys Rotary. I'm the founder and owner of the company. I'm also the designer of all the tattoo machines. I invented the manufacturing processes for our machines, oversaw all that. And I'm probably the guy that you've spoken to if you needed customer support. I've talked to thousands of people in the 12 years that I've been doing this, and this is the first video that I've ever made. I'm making it because I have something new that I want to bring to market. It's going to be a new machine design, not just a new look, but an actual new functionality inside of a machine. Remember when coils were the machine standard and everybody said that rotaries would just be a phase? We never went back to coils. Remember battery packs? People said it was just going to be a phase. Look at where we are. This is the next thing. What I'm bringing out next is going to be it. It will change tattooing forever, and it will open you up as an artist like nothing you've ever been handed. Now, with that said, this is where you and I can work together. Valhallas, Valcures, we've got battery packs, power supplies, lots of stuff, grips. I'm going to just take everything on the store, mark it half off. The plan is to liquidate everything that I've got in inventory right now and use that money to put towards the new project. And it would also simplify things for me running the business so that the only thing that I had left to do was to keep service and support going, which these days is pretty simple. After the double bearing cam back in 2023, we really haven't seen very many machines come back at all. It's like maybe 1 in 200 ever have to come back. So if you want to get a Valhalla while supplies last, they're not going to be around for too much longer. This is it. I don't plan to make any more version 1 Valhallas. And hey, if you're not in the market, I can understand that. Do me one favor, please. Tell somebody that might be. You've got associates, you got artist friends. Let them know about it because this may be their last opportunity to grab one, and maybe they don't hear this ad. So share this, share it, spread the word, whatever you got to do to tell people that Axys is half off for the near future until we've run out of stock. Let them know. So let's pull together, guys. Let's make some tattoo history. Let's make every day in the studio, in the shop, more efficient, easier, more enjoyable, less fatigue, better healing, and more focus on the art and less focus on the machine.